Welcome to my channel. Orbi 770, some devices lose internet? Here are the solutions. Step 1. First, restart your router and satellites. Just unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This clears up temporary glitches. Step 2. Make sure your router firmware is up to date. Log in through the Orbi app or web browser and check if an update is available. If there is, install it right away. Step 3. Check the device itself. Sometimes the issue is not with Orbi, it could be the phone, laptop, or tablet. Restart the device and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Forget the Wi-Fi network on your device and reconnect by typing in your password again. This refreshes the connection. Step 5. Look at where your satellites are placed. If one is too far from the router, the signal gets weak. Move it a little closer and see if the dropouts stop. Step 6. Check how many devices are connected. If too many are streaming or gaming at the same time, then some might lose priority. Try disconnecting a few and test again. Step 7. Go into the Orbi settings and turn off any advanced features like Smart Connect or QoS temporarily. Sometimes these features cause certain devices to drop. Step 8. Switch your device to the other band if possible. If it's on 5 GHz and keeps dropping, try 2.4 GHz, or vice versa. Step 9. Run a speed test while standing near the router and then near the satellite. This helps you see if the issue is location-based. Step 10. If nothing works, do a factory reset on your Orbi 770 system and set it up again from scratch. It sounds like a hassle, but often this clears hidden configuration problems.